Okay, latest G Pro steering wheel, but no support for handbrake. This is the workaround. So you just have to use the other controller with suitable games, and then you can customize the shoulder button as a handbrake. And found this actual handbrake from eBay. Pushes the shoulder button. Works pretty well, and you can actually adjust the length of this steel rod, so you can, get the best position for your taste. And there are pre-drilled holes. This is just a Logitech standard mounting plate, and I managed to find a small piece of metal there. Just bend it a little bit. It's a little bit flexible, not too solid, so it gives a little bit of room for the controller to move around so it doesn't break it. And this small rubber protected, you can just find it from a hardware store as well. And from the other side, needed a little bit of a rubber band. Also used the pre-drilled holes here. There were plenty for different options, and had to move a little bit the steering wheel, this shifter, so it's pretty bulky, so it needs a little bit of room. So then this is the workaround for that. So small piece of wood there. That's the gear shifter mount here, and also from the below there are pre-drilled holes, so just drill them there, and that's it. Now you have a handbrake that works with at least Gran Turismo 7 and the DYI 2